Hey, what's up? It's Privacy J here. Put on your ponchos, put on your raincoats, put on your rain shoes, and don't get wet out there for the rain puddles. So, we want to stay safe in the rain, and we don't want to get wet, and then because and don't let it rain on you. So, which means the thunderstorm is happening today. So, pay attention with the severe weather alert on your phones or the laptop. Stay notified. So let's go to today's topics. Tropical storm Bertha forecast to bring gusty winds, some flooding along Gulf Coast from Florida to Texas. Tropical storm Bertha is tracking across the northern Gulf, headed for land Wednesday. Here's the latest forecast. So skip that. Tropical storm Bertha will battle strong wind shear as it poses a threat of locally heavy rain, gusty winds, and coastal flooding along the Gulf Coast from the Florida panhandle to Louisiana and Texas. Tropical storm watches extend westward of the warnings to the Vermilion Cameron Parish line in Louisiana, including the New Orleans metro area. These alerts mean tropical storms conditions are either possible watch or expected warning. The storm surge watch has been discontinued along the northern Gulf Coast, and a coastal flood warning has been issued for portions of the southeastern Louisiana and Mississippi coastlines. Where Bertha is now? The radar and satellite map below shows that Bertha is slowly drifting toward the northwest or west-northwest in the northern Gulf. Bertha's weird look in the map below is because stronger northeast winds aloft are blowing most of the thunderstorm activity south of its center. So a few bands of rain are trying to work their way closer to its center. Because of this, the bulk of Bertha's heaviest downpours are staying offshore for now. However, some 40 to 50 miles per hour wind gusts have been measured along the Florida Gulf Coast from Keaton Beach along Apalachee Bay to just offshore of Pensacola. Here's the latest forecast where Bertha may go. Bertha will turn westward, riding on the southern periphery of a heat dome of high pressure over the U.S. By late Wednesday, Bertha will be near the Louisiana coastline and could then either move inland or brush the coast through to Thursday. Whatever is left of Bertha is then forecast to move into eastern Texas by Friday before it dissipates. How strong it could get. Bertha is battling wind shear and dry air, two nemesis of tropical storms, given that we don't anticipate additional strengthening. In fact, there is a decent chance Bertha either runs aground in Louisiana or succumbs to wind shear and dissipates sooner than the forecast above indicates. Soaking rain possible. Due to this wind shear and dry air coming from the mainland, most of the heavy rain from Bertha will likely remain over the Gulf. That said, locally heavy rain is possible from northern Florida at least to southern Louisiana. This may lead to flash flooding in a few areas through Thursday. For now, the heavy rain and flash flood threat for eastern Texas from Thursday night into Friday looks only isolated, particularly near the upper Texas coast. Other threats, some coastal flooding and storm surge, especially at high tide, can be expected along parts of the northern Gulf Coast. Up to 4 feet of storm surge is possible along the Alabama and Mississippi coast and along the Louisiana coast north of the mouth of the Mississippi River. The storm surge is also possible in the Florida Big Bend and as far west as Parish, Louisiana, for storm surge in your community. Wave action, coastal flood watches and warnings. Wave action in the Gulf will also be accompanied by rip currents, so it's probably best to stay out of the water at Gulf Coast beaches this week, even if the weather at the time looks okay. A few tropical tornadoes or waterspouts are also possible along the northern Gulf Coast this week. Bertha's history. The National Hurricane Center issued its first advisory on TD2 late Sunday morning as it was centered south of Panama City, Florida. A hurricane hunter mission found sustained winds of 40 miles per hour Monday evening, making the system Tropical Storm Bertha the second storm of the 2026 Atlantic hurricane season. All right. So, anyways, that'll be all for the quick stream for today. And I hope the rain hopefully the rain clears out soon enough, most likely. So let's see what happens. So I'm gonna check the weather. So yeah, and I'll keep you guys updated. So later this week. So like and comment, subscribe, but let me know about it. So we're gonna subscribe to my 3 channels: Privacy J Productions 1, 2, and 3, and my content. All of my social medias will let you know all about it. Facebook, my name is Jada Garcia. Sorry. Yeah. So let me try again. Like and comment, subscribe, and let me know about it. So we're gonna subscribe to my 3 channels: Privacy J Productions 1, 2, and 3, and on my content. All of my social medias will let you know all about it. Facebook, my name is Jaden Garcia. Instagram is JTech727. Snapchat is 0727. Follow me on X, Privacy J NYC1, and follow me on TikTok as Privacy J Officials. Same name on Instagram. So thanks for watching and peace out.